God, all I need now is to just put a pair of like glasses, like the Chloe glasses. Hang on. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought that today's video, actually, you know what? Announcement quickly. The camel coat giveaway. I am going to put on my Instagram today the winner. It'll either go on the post or it will go on my stories. This coat, it's a search for that coat, and it's just the whole... Anyway, those who've seen the video, you already know what I'm talking about. Today's Instagram, I'm going to reveal who won. Why am I clapping? I'm clapping for the winner. So it's going to be on the Instagram post, or it's going to be on my Instagram stories, KarenBritChick. Anyway, congratulations in advance to that winner. So make sure you go over there and check to see if it is you. So I thought today I would do a video all about that one piece, and it could be something small, or it could be something pretty big. They say the devil is in the details, and it really is, especially when it comes to your outfit and what is that thing that really does elevate it. All right, so let me just kick off with the first one. So number one is your jewelry. I found this YouTube channel called Jewel School, and basically it's a DIY tutorial site where they just show you how to make your own jewelry. Now, I'm very much a DIY person, and you've known that from before, like years ago with my blog. I used to really be into DIY, which is why after finding that YouTube channel, I'm not surprised I was like, you know, drawn into seeing some ideas on how you can make like bar necklace, or how you can make a stacked rings. Or for me, for example, I came up, and this is just based on that channel. I'll link it below, but they have episodes every week, so you can subscribe and just learn yourself away on like how to like just come up with your own customized jewelry. But I came up with this from that channel. I came up with my own necklace pendant basically. So this is the piece, right? It is this gorgeous like jewel stone, and it's this gorgeous like green color, like a dark green. It's coming out a little bit blown, but I'll insert some clips so you can see the true color of it. But look at that, it is just so pretty. So there is this one. It came with different colors as well, so you could also get this one, which is this, look at that blue. Actually, it's like a sort of like a purple slash blue. I think it's more purple, that one. And then this one, which is more almost like the color of my jumper right now, isn't it? This one, this is like a sort of amber, and they've all got like gold around them, which is perfect for me because you know I like gold as well. And I have this one as well, which is like this pink fuchsia color. Again, really pretty. But for this outfit, this is just, again, one quick example. So I like the idea of, I'm wearing like these high-waisted 70s corduroy flares, and I'm just going to finish it off with this that I made from the Jewel School channel. And it is basically, I just decided on gold chains to go with it. So this gold chain is actually much shorter. It's actually two that I just looped together to make it much longer. So it's really this long, right? That's it, that's the actual length of it. But I took two of them and I just lobster clasped them together. You can see there's a clasp right there. And then because the holes on the chain are big enough, you can just put them where you want. But the point is, see what I'm saying? Look, just take something like that, and it just adds a little bit of interest to your look, and it just sort of takes it into that very sort of retro vibe. And you can put this as long or as short as you want, which is why I really like that I made this myself versus just walking into a shop and buying it. I love that. That color, the two colors together look so pretty. I used to make my own necklaces before, so it's really nice to be able to sort of do it again. You can check out the Jewel School YouTube channel, and I'll link it below. And for me, it was just nice to be able to like, I don't know, it just reminded me on how much I like to make just like really simple pieces. So taking the idea one step further with something very small like this that makes a difference. Notice no earrings, because I wanted the focus to stay on the jewelry, just that one simple pendant. This is something that's a bit more of a statement. Remember I said before, it could be something large or something small, or you can wear them together. In this case, I am. So I've got like this leather vintage trench coat, which you guys have seen before in another video. What I'm saying about taking a basic outfit, which is trousers, which is a pair of cords and a polo neck, and just upping it. That was just one small way to do it. And then to take something like this coat, oh God, this color combination is just ridiculous. And I love the idea of these together. Notice how I've pulled the sleeves down of the yellow, all the warm tones all worn together. So you've got the yellow, you've got the orange here of the leather trench coat, and then you've got like the mustard, and then you've got the green, and then the green of the necklace. Really, really easy way to just up the ante on an outfit. I love stuff like this. I mean, you could turn around and belt it. One. Just sort of belt it a little bit. Just go like that and just leave it slightly open. But you understand the point I'm making. You're just taking one key piece, or in this case, I've taken two key pieces. I've got the necklace and I've got this. Something very small and something much bigger. And I'm putting them together to make a basic outfit a little bit better. As long as you've got like the color combinations in your mind. And again, I'll link that video below all about how to mix colors together, because I know you lot said they really helped you. You'd understand like why I put an outfit like this together. But oh, that's the first one already, and I love it. Yeah, I loved it. God, all I need now is to just put a pair of like glasses, like the Chloe glasses. Hang on. Just like finish it off, because I know there's something that, God, the Chloe glasses, which you know, you don't know how much I love these glasses. God, I love stuff like that. All right, so that is outfit number one. Taking something like a big statement piece like this bright leather trench coat. Oh gosh, I love this thing so much. You could just do something like this, which is so easy. It's small, it's a pendant, right? Easy to just wear from like winter to summer dresses as well. So I'm going to show you the next idea that I've got on something that one piece, one thing that can just take a simple outfit to the next sort of step. Okay, so the next one is I just put a pair of like normal jeans on so you can see first of all. So I just kept the same polo neck on. I'm just wearing like a pair of normal jeans. These are from Topshop. I just got these. I really like them because they're like dark rinse, but they're high-waisted at the same time, and they go in, which I love. So basically this is just a pretty normal look. There's nothing groundbreaking about what I've got on, but this is the difference that I did. Oh my God, I love these. Sorry. Most of us at this time of the year, we're wearing a pair of jeans and some kind of knit or jumper on top. If you want to sort of make it just a little bit more interesting, large hair clips. And so I got these two. You can wear it as one, but I like the idea of stacking two. And I got these ones, which I really, really love. Now these are fantastic. I got these from Flea Market. Now this is such an easy way to just update anything that you've got. I also have a pearl version, which is right here, if you can see that. Oh, there you go. So I got the pearl version. These are slightly smaller, and I buy them as a pair because I like the idea of wearing them stacked if I want to or not. So it's really, really simple, right? It's just taking something as basic as this, like I said before, and just adding something like this, which to me just adds just a little bit of interest to your look. I mean, I'm wearing this sort of horizontal like that. But you don't have to. You can obviously wear them the other way as well, like just stacked like this. But just to get the idea, this I love. It's just very, very simple. Everything else hasn't really changed. The only thing is you added some bling to the side of your head. Another simple way just to add a little bit of something to your outfit. And then you just take your coat. You know the coat I'm going to grab, right? Any color coat you've got. And then I like the clash of wearing something really like sort of girly and then clashing it with something really simple like a men's coat or just like a simple single-breasted coat. It stands out, but it's small, but it has a massive impact at the same time. Another one is a flowy, floaty maxi dress. I have this one from Topshop. Puffy, long sleeves, sort of poet sleeve, very romantic. It's like get blown away wearing this. I just laid a knit under it to keep it winterized. It actually opens at the back as well. You just got this whole like vibe going. So I thought, why not just take, you lot must have something similar to this, oversized sort of floaty looking dress. Just take a belt, and I don't just take a skinny belt this time, take something that is actually quite substantial. It's Temperley London, this belt, and then you just add it, and I chose black because of the black in the dress. So I just added this studded belt, and it just gives a little bit of interest. So you can just like tie this on the side or just like knot it on the side. Or, you know what you can do with this? you can just tie this, wrap it several times around like this, and then just tie it at the back. That's simple. It's just really, really simple. Like the idea, like I said, of it being like a wide belt, because I feel like during the winter time you can take it, right? Have it during the winter time, I think, is like the perfect time to wear a belt like this. I mean, there's lots of examples of like wide belts, but I thought this one really works. Because look, as soon as you take it off, you see what I mean? Just adding that one thing that this dress needed. Now, jeans and a t-shirt. I've changed again. This is the most basic of all outfits. So all I'm going to do is add something just to make it a little bit more interesting. Now, I could have put a blazer. I could have put a coat. I am going to take, because if you've ever wondered, how do I wear a statement sequined number? Last week I did it with the skirt. I love that whole idea of like wearing a pair of Doc Martens. This is the jacket version of that skirt. This one is actually from a vintage shop. Now this is amazing. I've had this for about 6 years. Because when you go and you look at all these things, especially like on clearance right now, and you're thinking, well, I couldn't wear that anyway. What am I going to do with it? Notice how I'm turning up the bottom of it, the sleeves, just to make it feel a little bit more casual. And I'm seeing that lining, that black lining, because it's trimmed with black as well. So I like the idea of marrying it together. When you see one of these on clearance, this is an idea of how that I would wear it. I would just take a simple jeans and a t-shirt, and I would add something like this to it. Just really, really basic. This, and then you just add this. I love stuff like this. It still feels kind of rock and roll at the same time, because when you add something like a logo tee, and then you put something like this, which is so sort of like party-ish. You think of it as being party-ish, but I don't wear sequins that way. I never have. I wear them like this. I just wear them like during the day. But in my brain, I think that's how they're meant to be worn. Well, it feels kind of rocker vibe at the same time, because you're clashing it, you're introducing the denim. This could have easily have been a pair of like leather pants as well. Same sort of thing. And then you could just add like a pair of heels, or just dress it down with a pair of boots. And then you've got the look of how you would wear a sequined jacket. So, like I said before, if you see any of these during the sales and the clearance, because these type of things tend to go on that, and you think to yourself, how the hell would I wear that anyway? Christmas and New Year's is over. Well, thank goodness it is, because that's when you wouldn't wear it anyway. At least not in my brain. You would wear this now. So that is just another example of taking a very basic, simple outfit, jeans and a t-shirt, and just making it a little bit more interesting. So just take a simple jumper. This is like a bright yellow one that I've got. I think, again, this is a thrifted one, 100% wool, love it. And I'm wearing it with an H&M pair of old jeans. But how I would elevate wearing something like this basic jumper right now. Added this Topshop skirt with it. I love this whole like monochrome sort of look, like keeping everything in the same family, but just changing the whole vibe of the jumper. Love the look with the boots. Wear like black leggings or two pairs of tights with this. I just love the idea of just adding something like that. It just, so easy. Bag wise, what would I go with? Probably go with my Celine clasp bag, because I love that look together. Yeah, this is kind of cool. So I'd go with the Celine clasp, because it's really, really basic. And I like the gold hardware. It really complements the colours of these two, and also just the black with the black of the boot as well. So I've got on that same satin skirt, that unexpected flash. I've shown you something like this before with a striped skirt, but why not take a solid colour like this and just pair them together? Green and yellows go well, so this is a beautiful combination. I've got on the same Topshop boots as you saw before. And then, yeah, that's just one easy way to just make that dress a little bit more interesting. So that is it. That is my lot. Those are just some really quick and easy ideas for just some basic outfits that we commonly wear, but taking one example of how you can just sort of just elevate it. I hate the word elevate, but you know, to me, what I'm trying to say, just one way of just making it a little bit nicer, just a little bit better, whether it's DIYing your own sort of necklace or own jewelry, or just taking something like a simple hair accessory or two, and then something that's quite overtly girly and just adding it into your hair. It's a statement sequin jacket. If you see any pieces like that over the next sort of few weeks are still on clearance, pick them up. Clash them with casual clothes. I'm telling you, that is the way you wear them. They stay timeless, they stay kind of rock and roll, like a basic jumper and jeans. You're going out for the evening, you're thinking, shit, how can I change it and wear something that's a bit better? Just turn around and just wear a satin, make something that's complementary to it. It doesn't have to be as similar as this, but it can be something that just sort of complements it color-wise. Again, if you're not sure about how to do colors together, I'll link again below my video on how to mix colors like a pro, so you know how to put things together. And I think that is it. Okay, so that is my lot. The light is disappearing really quickly, I've noticed, but thank you for watching, and I hope that you got some really interesting ideas here. These are simple things. These are probably things that you already may have heard of before, but just putting them all together in one video, hopefully it will spark an idea for when you're getting dressed tomorrow. After seeing this video, maybe it'll just make you think of your jeans and a t-shirt differently, your jeans and a jumper differently, your coat that you're choosing to pair with a certain color a little bit differently. What could I do with my hair a little bit differently? Even like your own necklaces or your own jewelry, and just DIYing once in a while. You know, why not? Nice way to just add a little something to what you've already got. And that's the whole point of this video, just adding a little something. All right, so if this video helped you in any little way, then do give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. It's either there or this corner underneath this video. That will make sure that you are alerted the moment that I put a video live. You'll instantly know when it's going to be there. That is a lot. I don't think there's anything else I want to say. If you are into DIY, I'll link that jewelry school video below, YouTube channel, so you can have a go at dabbling in making anything yourself. And that is it from me and Ruby, who is somewhere. Where is she? She was there, but she's not there. And as always, I will see you next week, Friday. Bye. Why I put like something like and I can imagine like just switching this out and just using any other sort of color that is going with my outfit. Ruby, really like sort of adding something that looks really like or just adding if I had a pair of black leather jeans or black leather pants. Do I?
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the record.